Hey Mountain View students, this is Mrs. Harbin, and I prepared this little video for you to address two of the most common errors that I'm seeing on your essays and papers when it comes to formatting in MLA. And these two errors are spacing and the header. And Microsoft Word automatically does a 1.15 space with an extra space after each paragraph, and unfortunately no method of formatting uses this. MLA doesn't use it, but neither does APA, Tarabian, Chicago, or any of the other styles that you'll use at other schools or colleges. So we need to be able to set up the correct spacing and remove that extra space. And a lot of you had those notes from me on your essays, remove space after paragraph. So this is going to show you how to do it. The other thing that I want to show you how to do is insert the header, which will have your last name and page number. This is not too difficult, but some of you are just forgetting that step. So I want to show you how easy it is. Let's start with the header. To insert the header, we're going to go up to the top to the Insert tab. Each of these buttons are called tabs. So we're going to click on the Insert tab. And what we're actually going to insert is a page number. That's right over here, a little bit off center. I'm going to click on page number. And I do want it to be at the top of my page, so I'm going to click on that. And I want it to be the top right-hand side, just a plain number. So I'm going to go down to plain number 3. Now my header does need a page number, but it also needs my last name. So I'm going to type my last name and hit space. Now on the top of each page, it will automatically have my last name and the page number. This is great for if you're typing a paper that has to be a certain amount of pages. It will automatically number the pages for you. There's only one small thing that I have to do. Microsoft Word does not use Times New Roman as the default, so this is not the correct font. But if I highlight it, I get a little box that comes up here, and I can quickly change it to Times New Roman size 12. Problem solved, that's my header. Right, now let's talk about spacing, because again, Microsoft Word does not use the correct spacing as their default. So I'm going to show you two ways that you can fix the spacing. The first way you can fix the spacing is by clicking on this little button that has the lines with the up and down arrow, and it says line and paragraph spacing. And I can click on it twice. I can click on 2.0 for double spaced and tell it to remove the space after the paragraph. Most of you are not doing this. If you have a note from me that says get rid of the extra space, this is the button you need to click on. Remove the space after paragraph. The other way that you can change it is by going to this option right here and bringing up this brand new menu. This is great if you are on your home computer because you can change the default setting and it will stay that way forever and you don't ever have to mess with this again. But if you go to this box, you want to make sure under spacing it has 0 point before, 0 point after, and double space. 0, 0, double. If you are on your home computer, tell it to set as default. All documents based on the normal template, and you will be good to go for the rest of your career at Mountain View typing papers in MLA. It will set it as the default. So hopefully this video has answered those two questions and can prevent you from making any more errors in as far as the heading and spacing goes. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks!